I'll start with the desert rose. I've gotten over 100 cuttings from that through the years. My bonsai ficus, these are 15 years old. And then here's some of the desert rose cuttings. And I stole my neighbor's pineapple next door. I wanted to save the plant from dying. Over here we have kapok trees that I had in Dixie cups and just recently put in 1-gallon pots. Then here is what they call the butterfly or Mariposa ginger from Cuba. When it flowers, it looks like an upside down butterfly. Smells like gardenia and citrus. Then these babies here I planted from seed less than 8 months ago. And the soil that's working for it is 60% perlite, 40% vermiculite, 10% Miracle-Gro professional potting soil. And then I have some bromeliads that'll start creeping. I'm trying to duplicate the environment in the rainforest. These ponytail palms get watered every day. And when you get down here, I just moved the mulch, but a lot of times when it rains, these bromeliads at the bottom don't even get wet. Here's a bigger version of the ponytail. And let me get a shot. Cut.